G'day, Tin from Kaon here. Today we're having a chat about the LC200 standalone rear roof shelf. We've made some updates and improvements to this product, and we're going to have a chat about why we've done that. So this is one of our most popular products for the LC200, and we got some feedback from a couple of customers that had done some big outback trips, demanding trips with lots of corrugations. They're telling us about some squeaks and noises coming from the mounts in the back. So we were fortunate enough to get one of these vehicles in to investigate. The mounts in the LC200 are unique, and they're unlike all the other vehicles that we see where they've got a captive nut welded to the frame of the roof. On the LC200, the handles are actually just clipped in, and they're clipped into a bracket which is then welded to the frame up in the roof. Now these brackets have load carrying welds on the top and a couple of smaller welds on the bottom to position the mount on the vehicle. Now on this vehicle, which has done a fair few corrugations, we've found that the smaller welds on the bottom have come away. We're confident that the remaining welds on the top of the bracket will carry the load. So we had to think about how we could improve the performance of this shelf in more demanding situations such as outback trips and corrugations, and we've come up with these side panels. Now what these side panels do is they help support the mounts in the roof, and they also share some of the load and distribute some of the load back down to a really sturdy mounting point that's just behind these panels here. It's a nice big M10 mounting point that's in the frame of the vehicle. Now moving forward, the standalone rear roof shelf will come with these side panels. Any customers who've already got the shelf, you will get this update free of charge. Now the shelf itself is still functional without the side panels, especially if you're doing sort of lighter work. However, if you're planning to do some bigger trips, more demanding tracks, then we recommend you update your shelf with the side panels. We have the panel removed here to show you how this small side panel works. So it helps tie in the handle mounts in the roof down to a really sturdy mounting point in the chassis here. This is an M10 mounting point, and what that does, it helps reduce the vertical movement of those mounts in the roof and helps share some of that load back down to the chassis. These side panels are quite easy to install. All you have to do is drill a hole in the plastic panel, and we provide a template to do that, so it's really easy to get it right. We've also allowed some clearance for the airbag deployment. However, we do not recommend any passengers in the back when you have this product installed. Now for those customers who have the cargo barrier and barrier shelf, this is not an issue as the load is distributed onto the cargo barrier. So while we were at it, we came up with these larger molly panels. We reckon they look fantastic. So these also serve the same purpose as the side panels, however they give you a bit more storage space. So if you're interested in upgrading to those, well, they'll be offered to existing customers of the shelf at a discounted rate. So whether you've purchased this from a distributor or direct from us, we're offering the same solution. Now if you'd want these updated side panels, the details will be wherever you're watching this video. Now we're really happy with this product, with the solution. It's rock solid now. We think it looks really great, and we're confident that it will perform well in the tough trips and the more demanding trips that we all like to do. Now this all wouldn't be possible without the support of our customers and the feedback. We really value that feedback to make a better product. We're always looking for better ways to do things, and we're always looking for solutions to problems and new products. So we thank you for your feedback and support.